Good evening, Mayor Gabriel. In Enlighten, it's Monday, 15th of May, 2023, and the current time is 11:41 p.m. Well then, shall we get started? Yes. Wonderful. Let me get you set up. Oh. Okay, I'll set. Have a nice day. I was just rearranging some stuff around my room, and now my back feels broken in half. Like, ow. I'm guessing my button is still, yeah. Possibly my second favorite soundtrack in the entire game, or hourly music in the game. But enough chit chat. Time to check out Club LOL because I have kept forgetting to do that. First, actually, let's check the billboard. Ooh, the fishing tourney. Saturday. Neato. Neato indeed. I'll keep that in mind. Wow, the stores are open. They do stay open later than usual. Nice. Night out ordinance is amazing. I love it already. Hi. Gotta talk to good old Sable. Ah, Gabriel, welcome. If you would like to use the sewing machine, just let me know. I'm good for now. When I see the sky glaze over with clouds, I feel kind of gloomy and kind of sort of in a funk. Those are the days when it's best to make some really vivid, colorful clothes to help boost my spirit. Aw. In the world is this a grape shirt? Alright, what is this? Some Western pants. Yes. Yeah, I'll buy it, sure. Some Western pants. Yeehaw, cowboy. What in the world is that thing? What? Oh, a space helmet. Space cowboy. Yes. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna rock the space. I'm gonna rock the space cowboy look. There we go. And there we go. Space. Oh no. Oh god. That looks awful, but I love it. Lordy. I'll quickly check out TNT Map, but afterwards we're gonna check out Club LOL for the first time. Oh hey! Avery! Hey bud! Gabriel, it's been a while, hasn't it? I swear it's been about a week. And it might have been even longer. Is it my imagination or are you looking a lot older now? Nah, it couldn't be. Quite like this looking thing though. A blue dresser. Sure, I'll get the blue dresser. What in the world do you call this thing? An exotic chair? Nah, I'm good. I don't want the exotic chair. Though it does look like my rocking chair. I might actually get it just because of that. There we go. Man, I swear. Timmy and Tommy are always banking off of me. Like, they see me come in, they're like, oh yeah, we're gonna be making money today. Alright, I think if I remember correctly, he will eat fruit if you bring it to him, and he'll teach you a joke. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some fruit. If I can find any. Really need to get this button fixed because it's really annoying that I have to like be careful about my stick because I run if I push too hard or push it too far, and that because it ruins my grass, my beautiful grass. Alright, Club LOL. I need to check out, I think it's Sunday nights or Saturday nights. One of the two, I believe. Oh! God! Look at that! You go, KK. I think I've heard this song in Animal Crossing New Horizons on one of the music discs. I can't remember which one it is, though. Either way, though, still pretty cool. Because I've seen that picture before, that song picture. Uh-oh. Oh, have we changed songs? Wait, oh. What is that? Wait, oh. Meow. I just made that sound like old McDonald at a farm. It has a picture of me from when I still had the beard. Oh god. So if I take off my headgear and put on the green tartan pants, then quickly run to get my picture taken again, does it change, I wonder? Take it. It's gonna be black and white, which kind of sucks, but what can you do? Button's stuck. I'll fix it later on, if I ever get the chance to fix it. Alrighty, cheese. Yeah, it's fine. Just want to see if it changes it. Never staying unplayed just to listen to these things. Sorry, Mother. I'm so sorry, Ma. I stayed up late listening to this junk. Oh! Hey! I can actually dance. I can actually dance. Oh, that's adorable. It does change the picture. That's cool. Ooh, I like this one. Don't know what this one is. Yeah! Rocket KK! Oh! Look at the gyroids. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. This is like, honestly, one of the best parts of Animal Crossing New Leaf. By far. For me personally, at least. Yeah. Sing it, KK. I could never get tired of this. I could never get tired of it. I could be here all night and I'd still love it. Alright, what do you have to say for yourself, Dr. Shrunk? So, feel like dancing? If you really just let your hair down and have a great time. The dance with KK here. Nah, I'm gonna dance up here so I get a better view. Oh, this is Hypno-K. This is from Aika Village, isn't it? Isn't it? Is it not? Could be wrong. Oh, now we're moving on to a different song. I think I'll listen to one more round of music and then I'll call it the night. Oh, we looped. Right, yeah, I think I'll call it a night here. That was fun though. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. Honestly, one of my best parts of the game, or one of my favorite parts of the game by far. I love it. I'm gonna return to the house and call it an episode. It's a very uneventful episode, but a fun one nonetheless. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I might remove these pads later on, because I'm not really even using them, nor do I care for them. So I might actually remove these pads later on. Hi, bud. Right, that was fun. One of my favorite parts of the game right there. I stayed up many nights doing that. I'm sorry, Ma. I'm so sorry. But anyway, whatever time it is for you, hopefully you have a good day hopefully you have a good morning / afternoon / evening / night. Wherever you are in the world.